is for the good of all humanity. Where eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, a noble nation. Where eagles pursue all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Faced with the zeal of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty. We're eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, a noble nation. We're eagles, friends to all people, pillars of the nation. Diyos at makarayan, nagbibigay sila lakas na kaisipan. Handog namin ay pagmamahalan, naglilingkod para sa sangkatauhan. Ang agila, Pinoy na agila, inaasam ay kapayapaan. Ang agila, Pinoy na agila, haligi ng ating bayan. Nag-aalay ng kapatiran, magkakaisa kapayapaan. Maglingkod sa kapwa aming nagika, buhay ihahandog ang maging malaya. Ang agila, Pinoy na agila, inaasam ay kapayapaan. Ang agila, Pinoy na agila, haligi ng ating bayan. Nag-aalay ng kapatiran, pagkakaisa kapayapaan. Maglingkod sa kapwa aming nagika, buhay ihahandog upang maging malaya.